Guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Xender's app on mobile. So the Xender's app is actually an app where you get to send music, videos, images, photos, files from one device to another using the Xender's app, right? So before I show you how to do that, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So first thing you have to do, if you're an Android user or iPhone user, for iPhone user, go to your Apple Store. For Android user, go to the Play Store and click on the search bar right here below and click on it. And so all you need to do is you just need to actually click on install, and once you click on install, it's going to download and get installed to your phone immediately. All right, so after doing that, you click on open once it's been installed and you click on continue. You want the ad show. After that, this is how the Xender's app look like. Very simple and easy to install and download, right? If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.